Hello and welcome to Super Memory, a total memory program designed for you, my friends. Are you ready to learn the Farsi alphabet? Alright, let's get moving. Alright, my friend Dal, who live in Dallas, has a big nose. Don't tell anybody. He says the Dallas smell very good. So remember, when you see this, that it looks like a nose and looks like an open D, you will remember Dal. My friend Dal. All right, next one is Zal. Zal is very special because he's very fast. He sits down in a way where the wind touches his face and he goes very fast. Zal likes to listen to music. So remember, when you see this posture, you will remember Zal, the faster guy in motorcycle. All right, let's keep moving. Do you ever rent a car to move around a city? Well, you have rental. So remember that when you're in the city and you want a nice car, you might want to rental a Renault. And when you see this right here, you see R that hasn't been finished. And you can finish it with the little red color. So remember, this is red for rental. Remember that. Rental. Rental. All right, next one. Do you ever hear about Z? Z is our friend Zeus, and he's the god of the gods. He's a powerful being. He's the control the lightning. Zeus likes to listen to music. And will you see the difference between Z and Zal? Z and Zal? Zal is sitting a little bit bent because he needs to go fast. While Zeus has a big muscle right here, and he also listens to music. But they're a little bit different. One is a speed and the other one is a god. So remember Zeus. The next one is Je. My friend Je always has a lot of questions. Do you ever ask where are we from? Why are we here? And why do you do the things you do? Or what is your name? And why your name is Carlos? Well, Je has a big head because he has a lot of questions. So when you see this character, you will remember Je, the guy that always asking questions, and sometimes he gets his answers. All right, my friends, so today we learn about Dal. There we go. Dallas, Dal, nose, D. And then we learn about Zal. Zal is a speeding guy who have to bend a little bit, but he also listens to music. And then we have to rent a car. And we have to finish the R to remember that this is a red. This is the letter red. And you write like this. The next one is Z. Z is very powerful God. he also listens to music, and he has this muscle right here. It's a little bit big, powerful. And the last one is je. Je. Always ask questions. Well, my friends, I hope I could help you to learn 5 fun new Farsi alphabet letters. Tell me what you think below and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. See ya.